Hey everyone, this is Ro Leather, Certified Career Coach. I'm stopping in real quick just for a couple of minutes to answer a question that keeps coming up. I get asked often what the difference is between internships and volunteering, which is better, and which one should they choose? Well, an internship is a very structured program generally required by your program. And it is just as competitive as a regular job because there's so many people looking for it. There's a lot of students looking for an internship. And preference tends to be given to those whose programs require it. And when your program requires it, there's going to be documentation, tracking, approval process. If your program doesn't require an internship, consider volunteering instead. I prefer volunteering options because it puts you in control of the organization you want to align with, the times that you have available that you can maybe work around their hours and vice versa, and the time of commitment that you want to give as far as time frame. If it's not working for you, you are free to say, I'm sorry, this is not the opportunity I was looking for. Thank you for the opportunity, but I think we need to part ways. That's acceptable in a volunteer opportunity, but it may not be an option for an internship that's required for your program. Okay, I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at 3amcareercoach@gmail.com or just drop me a comment and I will try to get you the answer that you're looking for. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video.